Hello everyone. Find the points on y-axis, each of which is at a distance of 13 units from the point minus 5 comma 7. Okay, so there is a point on y-axis. Okay, so what we have to do? Let the point on let the point on y-axis be 0 comma y. Okay, take it as point P. Okay, and there is a point. What is the point? A minus 5 comma 7. Imagine it as A minus 5 comma 7, and the distance between PA is given as 13 units. So what are the points we have to find out? So what we have to do, we have to apply the distance formula. Pa is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to 13. Okay, so take it as x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So substitute the values, root over x2 means minus 5 minus 0 whole square plus y2 means 7 minus y whole square is equal to 13. So transpose the square root to RHS, then it will be square. So we will get minus 5 whole square plus 7 minus y whole square is equal to 13 square, right? So minus 5 whole square is 25 plus 7 minus y whole square is equal to 169. So 7 minus y whole square is equal to 169 minus 25. So I will get 144. Now 7 minus y is equal to square root of 144. What is the value of square root of 144? It's plus or minus 12. Okay, it's plus or minus 12. Let's suppose if I take 7 minus y is equal to plus 12 and 7 minus y is equal to minus 12, then what we will get? Minus y is equal to 12 minus 7. So minus y equal to 5, therefore y is equal to minus 5. Okay, and here minus y is equal to minus 12 comma minus 7, so y is equal to 19. Okay, so therefore the points on y-axis are, okay, the points on y-axis are very simple. 0 comma minus 5 is one point and 0 comma 19 is another point. Thank you.